So there was a little delay in this voiceover. I'm still trying to figure out how to do that. So as you can see, we are at our local Royal King. Note, I am not sponsored by Royal King. This place is amazing. And as you can see, all the little baby chicks. I wanted you to hear them, but due to the music in the background, I had to remove the audio and then do a voiceover. Yes, if I sound a little sick, I am. It's getting fall time here in Virginia, and my sinuses are going to look crazy. Those little babies are, I would have brought every single one of them home if I could have. They're just so cute. Look at them down there eating. Oh, sorry if you can hear Simon in the background. He is being a little mouthy this morning. I don't know why. And of course, yeah, I had to cut that out. I was trying to get over to see the sapphires. Those are beautiful little birds. You can't really tell the color of them, but they got like a little blue tint to them. They're gorgeous. So we walked on over, and I believe we are at the Midnights. Yes, the Midnight Majesties. Those birds are just crazy. And yes, they are on sale for $1. Um, I didn't bring none home though because I still got to do some cleaning out of the building, and we at first we was going to use our building for the dogs, but uh, common sense told me that we need to clean out that building and just use it as a hen house because it's already there. So the only thing we have to do is clean it out, get it straightened up, put in some little boxes for the hens to sit in. So we are getting prices right now of what we need to, to buy to get ready for the chickens. And this is just something, we thought we would do is come up here, look around, you plan. We're planning out the homestead. We were thinking about this type of fencing to put the dogs in, but I think we are going to go with a dog kennel. They're more sturdy. They're panels, and you can add as many panels as you like or as less as you would like. So over here is the poultry fencing that we are looking at. I am going to try to reuse some that's on the old lot first, and then that's more or less you can use that type of wire for rabbits, which I'm not for sure about the rabbits. Um, so yeah, I'm going to try to utilize some of the old fencing I have to see if I can, repurpose it. That is the whole thing about, starting my homestead. I've got things that I can repurpose and reuse. And yeah, so this is a thing that we're trying to get ready. The chickens may not come until the springtime because it is getting winter. It's going to be hard to try to keep them, to keep the babies warm. Uh, that bedding right there, is more or less what you could, use for the chickens. And then you got we're looking for bedding for the dogs now because it is getting winter time. So we're just looking around, getting prices, making a list and checking it twice. That right there is a electric water feeder for them. That way in the wintertime they don't get. Hi guys, of course as you can see I let the dogs out. They're all out running around. This right here, there's Kilo. Go lay down. No, quit. Stop. Look, y'all go play. Lord have mercy. I let them out of the pen for a little bit and they're just being mean. They're being pups. So this right here, this green building is what I was talking about of just turning into the chicken house. There is, I done a walkthrough just a minute ago. we have a yellow jacket's nest in there, so we're going to have to wait until it's like cooler weather and get them done. But we are going to fix the door. That right there was the old boiler system that my husband had made to heat the water in the to heat the house with, hot water. So we have got to get all this mess over here cleaned out. This did come out of the garage. It's stuff that just needs to be gone through and thrown away. There's some lights. We got to fix that door over there and get it put back up. There's a bird's nest up there on top of that. That is so cool. We got to cut that tree down. I'm going to walk you around this way. We've got to cut that tree down, get that door fixed there. And then over here, we got, Lord Kalo, we've got these posts here that we're going to repurpose and use. We're going to come off. Right there's the door. This metal is right here. So we are going to fix a door for the chickens to come in and out where I can lock them in at night. There's my tomato grates. Lord Kilo, honey, are you thirsty? So what we're going to do, we're going to come off this pole, put a pole. This area right here will be for like the chicken lot, for them to come out, peck around. I'm going to walk you down here. I have a door that I can reuse to be able to get into the lot if I need to come in that way. A lot of this wire here, what we're going to do is I'm going to see if we can't repurpose some of this, because there's some good chicken wire up here. There's a good pole there. Just take all this down. Neighbor's dogs. Yep. So yeah, that's what we're planning on doing. I have an apple tree I got to cut. It's not doing so good, but I just thought I would walk you all around, give you a quick update on how we changed our minds again. These pups, I swear, the neighbor's dog is such a yappy yap. So, hi Apollo. Hi baby. I love my fur babies, guys. I need to wash the front of the house. It's got a little green tinge to it, some algae. But yeah, it's getting fall in Virginia, and I'm just a little croupy, my sinuses and stuff. But we still got some work to do. We're planning on springtime of having the chickens here. When I was at the store the other day, I'd have bought every single one of them. I just love animals. I'm a big animal person. But yeah, guys, this is the plan. I'm actually thinking about taking down that wood building there and just cleaning up a little bit. I need to find I need to clean up a lot. At one time, my little home place here was the most prettiest place here. And then it just, over the years, it started getting junked up, trees dying, bringing stuff in. Hi, baby. Hi, babies. Don't jump, Kilo. Don't jump. Gosh, Apollo tries to keep her off of me, and then they get mad at each other. But yeah, my fur babies. I loves them. But yeah, guys, that's the plan for right now. It's what we want to do, and I probably just gave you whiplash with swinging around like that. But that's what we're planning. So hopefully soon you'll start seeing some progress on things that we're doing. And y'all, I will catch you in the next video. I've got a lot of things I got to get done. I got to go in there and make some phone calls, doctor's appointments, and all that good stuff. You know how that goes. People in Florida, please be safe. My heart and prayers and thoughts are with you guys. People in North Carolina, y'all please continue to pray for the people in North Carolina. They are just absolutely, they're suffering bad in North Carolina right now. So with that said, I will let you guys go, and remember to always wear a smile, because your smile will make somebody's day. Bye, guys.